Kita mo man sa engineering nga to. So, ito sa akong college, mamako. Do feel jet.
Ano yung daro feel? Atin sa Ramla.
Sa ACC. Nakasulit ko.
AC. Atin sa high school. Engineering ka.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the guests of honor for their zealous dedication and unwavering support in shaping the future leaders of our ROTC department. This event is not only a salute to our distinguished guests, but also a showcase of our unit's strength, state of discipline, and unwavering readiness under the guidance of the head of this institution. Let us embark on this historic occasion with pride
Sa
and
among year, siguro,
enthusiasm.
wala man ako.
Strategic
Dapat gapungo, abis sa bulit na natin.
His leadership in fundraising and disaster relief,
Ako yan.
notably in response to events like Typhoon Haiyan, reflects
Safe driver. All na register po siya. All naka-register mo po. Ano ba? Ano mo yata kung lumita? Ay, buhat baboy, buhat baboy. Pwede.
Kunami,
Means of transportation.
kailangan kita sa raduan.
Medyo dilata. Malisod na.
Enjoy na enjoy, Jasmine partner.
May gloves man.
Enjoy na enjoy. Liwat ay mo dyan, mag-zoom. Liwat ay mo mag-zoom.
Baka ka telescope.
Seymour D. Hemplar, BRM Escort, son of Mr. Nino D. Hemplar and Mrs. Rizzo D. Hemplar. First year, Bachelor of Science in Packaging Engineering from Mambusaw, Kapil.
Miss Maxine Angela Tirador, EDC sponsored daughter of Mr. Marlon Tirador and Mrs. Alma Tirador, first year Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management from Padilla, Iloilo.
Mr. Justin Philip Electricon, Headquarters Company Escort, son of Mr. Robert B. Electricon and Mrs. Celsa A. Electricon. First year, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Santa Barbara, Iloilo.
Shay Frankie Saturio, Alpha Company sponsor, daughter of Mr. Philip John Saturio and Miss Shelme Pasion. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Gimbal, Iloilo City. Miss Daniela Rose de Guzman, Alpha Coy XO sponsor, daughter of Mr. Albert de Guzman and Mrs. Maria Nelma de Guzman. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Maasim, Iloilo. Miss Grisha Danica Ferguson, Alpha First Platoon sponsor, daughter of Mr. Daniel Ian Ferguson and Mrs. Marie-Ann Ferguson. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Daho, Cavite. Miss Micheline Gusto, Alpha Second Platoon sponsor, daughter of Mr. Joselito Gusto and Mrs. Sharon Gusto. First year BS Biomedicine from Buena Vista, Guimaras. Miss Jasmine Chloe Gallardo, Bravo Company sponsor, daughter of Mr. Jonali V. Gallardo and Mrs. Naarni R. Gallardo. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Bunumancia, Aklan. Mrs. Shaluzet Faith Alonso, Bravo XO sponsor, daughter of Mr. Luigi Alonso and Mrs. Saiki May and Alonso. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Banga, Aklan.
Miss Vashti Jasmine Rodstad, Bravo First Platoon sponsor, daughter of Mr. Vicente V. Barcelona and Mrs. Jonah I. Barcelona. First year Bachelor of Science in Psychology from Haro, Iloilo City. Miss Aliyah Nitsi Barba, Bravo Second Platoon sponsor, daughter of Mr. Nordin Barba and Mrs. Alejandra Barba. First year Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Sigma, Kapil.
Mr. Shell Levita, Color Officer sponsor, daughter of Mr. Jeffrey Levita and Mrs. Delilah Levita, first year Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from Haro, Iloilo City.
Mr. Sean Arthur Villa, Charlie Company Escort, son of Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, the officers will now assist their sponsors and escorts to their seats.
magbahat.
No! 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 No!
Dire-diretso na, ano?
Yung buo, para sa bilog. Paano doon na? Paling sa bilog, paano?
Harap sa kanya!
Uga-uyang. Saan ka? Ano ka doon? Tulyado? Tulyado. Ano yung doon dito? Iwa? Iwa?
For the winner, for the best in discipline, we have the Bravo Company. Thank you, sir.
Mali ko away mo. Grabe ba siya?
Kanan ka kayo mamay hambayan. Ano? Ano? Gano'n. Diba naman karoon na?
Ayaw mo po man din. Nabigyan mo mo.
May we call on Major Shem L.
Go! Good. Good. Go! To Dr. To Reverend. Go! Tapos na po ang parangal. Mga pinuno, tabay, palo, dali. Go! Go! Howard Tagoy, hep hep. Mabuhay ang CPU ROTC unit, hep hep.
As we bring today's ceremony to a close, we express heartfelt gratitude on behalf of the CPU ROTC Training Unit. Thank you for gracing today's affair with your presence.
May we request our guests of honor for the photo opportunity with our sponsors, sir?
Gusto mo na? Gusto mo na? Dito nila.
Hindi wow.
Oo, nag-red carpet. Nag-black carpet. Pwede pa one car. Kasi
Reserve. Sin. Tagna kang puti.
Magwa na ko to. Ilak ka lang. Ilak ka lang. Oh, don't touch. Don't touch. It's not yours.
Ano si Jula? Imo mo post.
Portrait.
Ang nangis ang picture. Posing.
Thank you.
Nadya sa. BTS mo bang iya?
Kumandang gabi.
Hello, are you proud of me?
Yes.
Ito yung bag lang. Wala na kulit-kulit sa akin. Happy mo? Minsan, sa therapy. 1, 2, click mo. 1, 2, talis dito. 1, 2, 3, go. Ikat. Lahat na dito. Ulit tayo, ulit. Sorry, ulit. Ang kapal pa yan. Ang kapal pa sa naiyak. Let's tell us this
Buti may train lang.
1, 2, 3.
Kamay muna daw.
Ano yung ginawa na? 1, 2, 3. Toles sa step 2. Toles sa step 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Turn! Sino yung subong? Bis ka na agad? 1, 2, 3,
Ha?
go. Bis ka na agad?
Sabot mo?
Why?
Tama.
Tena na!
Cute na si Chloe.
Sabi pa lang, ginapot pa lang.
My love.
Wala ka pa na.
Get myself
Basta din.
over you. Don't forget to remember me.
Yan ito na, exit na rin. Ticket CPU.
Ano ay tagalaya di kung mga makarang nga gapalubog do ano, no?
Oh, pero ikaw taga sa aircon. Sayad ko doon eh.
Ipa. Ada. Basing wala